Hello and welcome to Jewellery Rescue. If you're new here, I'm Kat and I'm a girl on a mission to rescue and recycle the world's unwanted jewellery. Today we're going to be opening up a mystery parcel of jewellery that has been dropped into one of my retailers by a lovely customer, so thank you very much for this donation. I've resisted looking inside until we could open it up on camera, so let's see what we can find to recycle, restore or resell in my eBay, Etsy, my whatnot shows and in my retail stores. I can't see a note, but thank you if it was you. I think I have had an email. This looks like an interesting box of treasures. Let's get it all out on the table. This looks like an interesting table of things. Where should we go first? We've got a Laurus watch. See if we can get that ticking again. Oh, this is cool. This is a carved bangle. That's amazing. It's got dragons round it. I think it's bone. I've never had anything quite like this in before. It's very smooth on this side. It's carved all the way around. That's amazing. What a cool piece. There's a little baggie here. Nice vintage glass beaded necklace. Some fun brooches. We've got a bird and a dog. Wow, look at this. Look at all the flowers around the outside. That's amazing. It's quite old. It's got a C-clasp look. I don't think it's silver because I can see some bronze patches on here, but he's a really cool piece. This, unfortunately, has lost its coating, but it's a fun design. I wonder if we can reuse these bits for something. There's a nice freshwater pearl on here. Cut that one out. And some sparkles. This is made of leather. Looks like a hair clip or a brooch. That's fun, isn't it? And then this one, well, that's very light. Has it been made of paper? Or sort of plaster of Paris type thing, maybe? Really cute handmade piece. Back to vintage again. We've got some vintage clip-on earrings. They're fun. I think these ones are handmade ceramic beads. They're really heavy. These look like dolly mixtures, sweets. I used to love those when I was a kid. This lovely necklace has some rose quartz and some amethyst or possibly fluorite. And look at these freshwater pearls. We've got white ones and grey ones. That's lovely. This feels like a nice quality fashion piece. We'll probably reuse the beads on that one. Oh, I love this felted blue tear. He's lovely. How sweet. And then we've got coral and mother of pearl shell. These might be made of shell as well. It's hard to tell. Big statement necklace. And this looks like it's probably come from the same brand. This was obviously a pair of hoop earrings and a gorgeous little glass bead there. That's really sweet. This necklace has got cute little enamel dangles on it. It's got a broken clasp, but that is easily fixed. In fact, I did spot a clasp there. It's just got caught up. So I could fix that or could make some nice earrings from it. We shall see. There are some beads, so I wonder if this person is a maker too. Okay, the intriguing box. What can I see shining here? This looks like gold. Let's get the magnet on it. Opens here. What a lovely old piece. Oh, it's actually lost its clip mechanism. I'm not 100% sure on the material because we've obviously got silver tone there. That's the back of this piece. It could be a rolled gold. It's darkened there. I might have to show that to my antique jeweller and see what he thinks. It'd be really nice if we could fix that little clasp there. What a gorgeous piece. Could see some marks on the back of this watch. Trebex. That's got to be antique, hasn't it? What a gorgeous watch. Oh yeah, we've got a 9-carat gold mark on the back there. What a lovely piece. I'd like to make that into a pendant or something. Wow. 9 carat gold, guys. Wow, lovely. This is lovely. I thought it was going to be an earring, but it's not. It's a pin. And it very much looks like silver, so that will need testing. I've actually just found the hallmarks on it. It's got a 925 hallmark, and on the back there. What a lovely piece. And then we've got some amazing cabochons. Look at this tiger's eye. Gorgeous. I'm not sure what that one is there. This one could be a jasper. Forgive my ignorance. And then I think these are all agates. Look at that. They're amazing. Wow, look at this one. More agate. Look, this one's a moss agate. Oh, look at the sticker on the back of there. These are older pieces. Look at that. And then we've got a big sparkler. I expect that's probably glass. And then this one, I think, is a fossil. Wowzer. There's some more glass ones here and another fossil. More moss agate. Not sure what that one is. It looks like someone's painted it with a paintbrush. Wow. Amazing. And we've got what looks like some picture jasper beads. This one is plastic, or maybe an early form of plastic. And then there's some more beads. And then look at this malachite. Isn't that stunning with its little round spot there? This is a lovely brooch. I think I've got earrings very similar to that. I think it's a local maker. Oh wow, look at the stone in there. It's like a koi carp fish pond. That's going to be silver, I'm sure. Yeah, there's a 925 there. Well, that's beautiful. And we've got another watch. This one's by Limit. What's in this box? Oh, we've got some earrings in here. And we've got this to open as well, so we could tip that all in. There's another carved piece here. Look how intricate that is. Gorgeous. This is a lovely vintage brooch with Mary on it. It's just a bit twisted out of shape there. I can sort that out. We don't appear to have any rhinestones missing, which is amazing. It's a C clasp. And there's a mark there. The first number, frustratingly, has been worn away. It's either 900 or 800 silver. What a lovely piece. There's a pair of sparkly clip-ons. They're just missing a black rhinestone there. Gorgeous mother of pearl cross. A sweet wirework heart. That's obviously a more modern one. And a vintage gold tone pin. And then we've got an Etruscan style pin or pendant, and it has a C clasp. That just needs bending round a bit more. I might secure that in place and just put it on a chain. It needs a really good clean and a polish up, and then it will be glorious again. Got some bits and bobs here, some leaf earrings. These are just hoops, not hoop earrings. They're just hoops that have come off of something else. And then we've got some gold tone clip-on backs. And we missed this little heart because it's see-through, and I think that will be rock crystal. These sweet vintage earrings are Peruvian. I've had these beads in before. Then we've got a collection of St. Christopher's. These are probably going to be silver. Can't see any markings on them, but they look like silver to me. And then we've got some sweet imagery on the back. That one is a car in the trees, as is this one, but a different car and a different tree. And then we've got Mary, I think, on that one. They're really lovely detailed ones. And there's a pair of gold tone studs. Some cute sparkly clip-on earrings. This is lovely, silver and amber. It looks like there's only one, sadly, but I'll make that into a pendant. This is a tie pin, I think. I can see some marks there. Let's see what that says. It says Fraser's Patent on the back. That's a really cute little clip, isn't it? Various faux pearls here, and then these two I think are real. Let's have a look at those. This one I'm not seeing any marks on, but I think that will probably be a silver post, so we need to check that one. This one has a little mark. Let's see what that says. This one is 9 carat, another little piece of gold. I think there's only one, sadly, but gorgeous. We've got some more bits of gemstone, pearl and mother of pearl. One of these might have been, perhaps that one, the pair to the single silver earring. Another mother of pearl cross. I think this piece may have come off there, in which case we can glue that back on. There's a lovely single earring. This is no doubt silver with a freshwater pearl and rock crystal. The rock crystal is really coming to me at the moment. Then we've got coral. I'll test this hook as well. Shame there is only one, but we could make that into a pendant. And then we've got various backs and clasps and things. This one I'll check for gold. This one is costume, but really cute. A little leaf there. These backs will be useful for something that's a larger on the front. And then this earring, I wonder if this could be jade. Let's check this one on the gem tester. That's falling in the right place for nephrite jade, but let me know if you think it is another stone, because there are more within that section. Looks like jade to me. Wow, what a gorgeous donation. Thank you so much for dropping this one into us. So what was your favourite piece today? Do let me know in the comments. I think that these were mine, and those lovely St. Christopher's as well. This gorgeous gold watch and this interesting fob, which I will look into as well. Make sure to hit the like for me and the hype button when you see it in the comments. Hit the subscribe if you don't already, and if you do already, do check out the channel membership as well. There's lots of extra stuff going on in the background there and a lovely community. Watch another video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.